Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a fun DIY. We are going to make a fairy house. So first I have taken few cardboard pieces. I have cut two pieces into a rough wing shape and I have cut one other piece into a door shape. So first I'm sticking the strips of door shape onto the bottle. Then I'm taking few cardboard pieces which are cut into hexagon shapes. Now I'm gonna fix the hexagon shapes around the door to give it an image like a stone wall. Once everything is stuck, let it dry completely. Now take air-dry clay and roll it thin like thread. Take a little bit of the rolled air-dry clay and stick it like this on the door to give it an enhanced appearance. Let's make a window now with the same air-dry clay. As this bottle is quite big, I'm making two windows. Once done, let the clay dry for at least 4 to 5 hours. Here I have taken a thin paper and sticking it to the bottle with the help of glue and water. You can use tissue paper for this step. I'm just using a wrapping paper which I have got in a parcel. You can also use newspaper or any thin sheet for this step. The step is done just to give some texture. Repeat the same step for the entire bottle and once covered with this paper, let it dry completely. It is dried now and now I have taken the air-dry clay and sticking it just near the door like a creeper. I missed the clip of sticking wings to the bottle. After covering the entire bottle with tissue paper and once it is dried, stick the wings to either side of the bottle with glue. I'm also making few leaves with air-dry clay. Now I'm painting the door with emerald green. You can use any color of your choice. I'm gonna use flesh tint to paint all over the bottle. I'm not going to completely conceal the wrapping paper with paint. I'm just going to give only 2 coats of flesh tint over it and that will leave a light lavender color all over the bottle. Now it's done and I'm going to highlight the door with gold acrylic paint. Now I'm going to give brown color to all the hexagon shaped cardboard pieces. Here I am giving the second coat of flesh tint. Let's coat the window with blue acrylic paint. I'm coating wings with red color and I'm going to highlight it with gold acrylic paint. Here I'm coating the creeper with the brown color, but later I didn't like how it turned out, so I have changed it to bamboo green. I'm giving green color to the leaves and orange to the fruits. I'm adding streaks of orange to the wings just to highlight it. Here I am highlighting the leaves with light green. As said earlier, I am changing the color of the creeper from brown to green. This is my second try at making a fairy house and obviously there are some flaws. While you are making this, you can definitely add as many elements as you want and it's all up to you. I'm highlighting the windows with golden color and also adding borders to the stones with golden color just to enhance it. Please do let me know your comments and suggestions, and I would definitely love to hear them. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on journaling and DIY crafts. Once again, I'm highlighting the door and wings with gold acrylic paint. Now I'm just making a hole on the bottle cap to add a rope to it so that you can hang the bottle. Now our fairy house is ready, and let's see how it turned out.